Natural solutions to improve skin imperfections. Natural methods can help improve and even eliminate skin imperfections such as acne, wrinkles, moles, and freckles. A thorough skincare regimen can be created with natural products like tea tree oil, witch hazel, lemon juice, and cucumbers. Exfoliation is suggested to remove dead skin cells and improve product absorption. Eating a balanced diet with plenty of fruits and vegetables can provide the skin with essential vitamins and minerals. Avoiding processed foods high in sugar can help prevent breakouts. Drinking lots of water can help flush out toxins from the body. Avoiding smoking and excessive drinking can help keep the skin looking clear and youthful. Wearing sunscreen when spending time outdoors can help protect the skin from the sun's harmful rays. Getting enough sleep is essential in keeping the skin looking fresh and vibrant. The right products, diet, and lifestyle choices can lead to healthy and beautiful skin. Share your thoughts and spread the word by sharing and liking the video.